What's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on Toyota RAV4. This is 2012 model. It will be exactly same procedure for 2006 to 2012 model. To remove the airbox, there are two clips we need to remove. One clip is right here. You have to just push down, and the another one is right here. And then pull up the airbox. It's that easy. That's an old air filter. You can see it's dirty. We're going to replace this one. This is the new air filter. We're going to put it back. As you can see, it's clean and brand new. Just pull up the airbox. Align the air filter. It goes only one way, so there is no mistakes. Once it's in, put the airbox back and put the clips back. And that's it. That's how you change the engine air filter on Toyota RAV4. I will put the link in the description where you can buy this air filter. To do this job, there is no tool required. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below. And please hit the subscribe to follow our new content. See you next time.